While working with tools, it can be easy to make a mistake or for something to happen accidentally. For example, it is not that uncommon to make holes so big that your screw will not fit in them. Today's video is going to talk about what you can do in a situation like this so that the screw is not loose on the wall and tightens effectively. For this, you will only need a few simple things, such as a cigarette filter, a tube of liquid glue, and a screwdriver. First of all, you are going to need to use the cigarette filter to fill the holes. For this, you need to split the cigarette filter in half sideways, like we did here. After that, you can stuff the pieces into the hole so that it is filled. Make sure to get it in there like we have done here. Some parts of it might stay sticking out, but you can use a paper cutter or any other kind of blade to easily cut this part off so that the surface is evened out. Once you are done with that, the next step is to use the glue to cover all over the cigarette filter. Make sure that you apply it on the filter and all around it too so that the hole and its surrounding areas are covered. Leave this to dry off for a couple of minutes before doing anything else. Once some time has passed and you know the glue is completely dry, you can give the surface a better and more even finish by using sandpaper to flatten the area. This way, excess glue will come off and the surface will be completely even so that it does not stand out or look bad. After you are done dealing with the finish, you can place your screw on the surface again. Just place the screw on top of the glued cigarette filter and use a screwdriver to carefully slot it in there. Once it is attached, you can use sandpaper again to give it a cleaner finish. You can see here how effective this method was at helping us fit a screw back into a hole that was too big. You can use this method to cover up any hole in your home and fit a screw into it if it was too loose before. It is a very reliable and easy method which we hope that you liked. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool if you want to see more guides like this one.